It's funny to think that the reason we're all here is due to something that happened 6 years ago. Jess, you've made me a better person. You've shown me unconditional love, that you've made my world better and brighter than ever. I promise you a life full of love and laughter. I promise to listen when words are hard to find. And I promise to always be there whenever you need me. I will love you more than you ever know, and my final promise to you is to spend every single day making sure that you know that. Ladies and gentlemen, please can you raise a glass, and this is very exciting for me to say, my beautiful wife, Mrs. Jessica Tamsit.
Jessica Parry, Jordan Tamsit. No more sleeps. Today, here in the beautiful Pelham House, a house steeped in history, you are becoming part of its history too. Do you promise to fill your lives with laughter, just the right amount of chaos, and never stop dancing through life to your never-ending and ever-increasing Parry playlist on Spotify?
We do.
And finally, do you promise to love each other too much, without pause, without doubt, and to keep choosing each other over and over again?
We do.
As with great pleasure, I declare you are now husband and wife, and invite you to seal the bond of your promises with a kiss.
Today you married our little girl whose laughter, love and happiness has filled our home. She's my heart, Jordan. She's my heart that walks outside my body, and I'm trusting you with her now.
Oh, it's right where we belong. Oh, there's a million stars up overhead, still I would find you right here all over again, under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know.
Yes, you look beautiful, darling. I've waited so long to see you in your wedding dress. All those months wondering what you would look like, but I can tell you it's all been worth it. You look stunning, absolutely gorgeous, and I couldn't be prouder, darling. I cannot begin to find all the words to tell you how I feel today, standing here as your father. I've always been in awe of your achievements in life, Jess, and you've given us so many reasons to be proud of the person you've become. But the proudest moment for me is telling others that you are my daughter. I love you, darling, today and always, and wherever life takes you.